So when you start, before you start stretching, you want to do T-pushes. You want to get the blood flowing. Nice. The same deal. Here. Yeah, just do a good stretch. Get a good stretch in. Go into butterflies. Get your legs going out. No, 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 no! These are my pucks, my pucks, my pucks.
Bruh. It's pretty cool.
So you're just gonna stand here in the net, and I'm gonna shoot into your chest, all right? And when you cradle, I want you to cradle it in, right? Boom. Butterfly, butterfly. Nice. Just like that. Bluff. All right, blocker, right? So when you get it, right? Right? Yeah, like that. He needs to punch it to the corner, because when there's a shot, you don't want the puck coming out here. You want to go into the corner, right? You don't want it popping back out, because then it's a bad rebound. You never lunge at a puck.
Never lunge at it.
No, you let it come to you and then direct it.
All right, here, that's it.
You don't want to attack the puck. You don't want to let it come to you and then direct it. So what we're gonna do now, you're transitioning, right? So we're gonna do this. Right, hook on the side, play's coming. You're gonna T-push out and slide into me, okay? Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, for sure. No, it's all good. Hey, I'm gonna move this over here. I want you to slide across, slide back into the post, and then I'm gonna shoot it into you. Okay?
That was exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. It's gonna be 3 shots, same thing. First shot, and then I might go to that side for the second shot, and then go to the other side for the third shot. So now it's 3 shots, okay? Yes. Okay. What was that? Be set for any shot that's coming, okay? After the first shot, forget about that shot. See, some of these pucks are my shutout pucks. So you want to make sure you're set up, right? Set up. I'll wait for you, okay? Oh! Don't worry about looking for the puck. It's just a first shot reaction. Don't worry about where it goes, right? Butterfly. Second shot, second shot. Third shot, third shot. Nice. Second shot, second shot. Third shot, third shot, third shot. Nice. All right, take a break, take a break.
a whole nother year at that little goal. That's gonna drive me crazy.
Yeah, dude, this is looking good. Puck, shot. That's what we need to work on. In position, and it's scramble play. That's what we're trying to work on. Where's the other puck? Where's the other puck? Right? Don't worry about the first. If the first shot goes in, forget about it. Go for the second puck, right? Go more this way. You want to be in position with the puck. You're gonna step out, and you're gonna be in position with the puck. Okay? That doesn't mean go out further. That just means you're in line with the puck, like that. I can't go. This is gonna be cut off now. You might give a little bit on this side, but you're more leaning to the right side, so you don't give that short side up. Let's try it. Perfect, right? Second shot. So what you're doing is you're making it more difficult for yourself by going out like that. Cut down the angle, just like you did for this side. You're sliding across this way. Don't worry about the first shot. First shot, save it, and then focus on the second shot. Second shot.
It's harder for me.
This is the hardest, like coming from the angle is always the hardest one for me personally. You gotta keep your stick down and you slide, right? You're going like that. Like your stick goes like this, right? So you wanna keep it down. Shot, slide. Nice. Cover. Nice, good job. You have the positioning down. Now only focus on that second shot, okay?
Take some of your pucks, let me know.
Okay.
If you keep shooting them and they keep sliding over here. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and push him back over. Yeah, there you go, just like that. Nice. He rotated and moved over. Perfect. Now I want you to start on your butt, and you're gonna get up in position, and I'm gonna take a shot. Okay? When I slap my stick, that means go, okay? Nice save. You had it. You had it right there. You gave it back to me. Ah. Oh, nice. You got it.
If it comes across the crease, poke check. Poke check across the crease.
Oh, nice save. Oh!
You gotta react.
Good job, Leonardo. I'm only gonna take 7.
7?
Yeah.
You need help?
No, I'm just making sure I don't have any like championship hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4.